Hey guys, how is it going? This is Kovid from coderkovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over to lists. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you like these videos, please give us feedback. So, and main thing that if you want to hire me as a Python coach, I am ready for you, just for $5 for first student. So let's jump over to our tutorial. So in this lesson we will learn what are lists and what does they do. Okay, so let's start. And for list, as usual, you have to declare a variable, that is, so I'm declaring as lists, okay, equals. And here, to define the list, you have to do two square brackets, open and close. So inside this, we put the values like 1, 2, and to declare second value, you have to just use comma to separate them. Okay, so you can also put like this string also, and float also. So, and if I print this list, if I print lists, you can see all of them are printed. It's kind of easy, guys. Just go around and get your sale, or get your ideally, or get your IDE and do practice, guys. Just put like this. Okay, so you have to do exercise with me, guys. Okay, so after doing this, if you get these values as printed, so the next step for you is like this. So you can use anything, and so we will put some person's name. Okay, guys, Kovid coder and YouTube. Okay, so here comes the main topic, that what we can do if we don't want to print like this as a list. We just want to print this letters. What do we do? Just use index. So index is from which index you want to be printed. So this is 0 index, this is 1 index, and this is 2 index. The index starts from 0. Okay, so here we print like this. And while defining an index, you have to use the variable name and two brackets that are square and the index name. So I want to put first of all coder. Okay, so this is index first, so I will put this first. So if I run this code, it will print me coder, and I want coderkovid. Okay, so that's simple, guys. You just have to do concatenation, as we already know what is called concatenation, and do the same, that this is of 0 index, so we will write 0. And as we run this code, you can see it's coderkovid. So I want here space 2 here after coder. So it's kind of easy. This is your game, like you should play around. You should just play around. Here we'll add space, and you can see it's coderkovid. So guys, go over to your IDE, practice around, and just play around with your codes. Okay, so this was indexing. So what if we use if then else statement, just as before tutorial? So for doing that, it's kind of easy, guys. If list 0 equals Kovid, or list 1 equals coder. Then we have to print successful. Okay, so let me test this. It will print definitely successful. So here we'll put else print false, and as I run this, it gets successful. So why did I didn't put this colon here? This is because false and true are the Boolean algebra, so these do not need any of this thing. So if I do print false, it will just give me false here like this, and if I do true, and it will again give me true. And you can also do is so this much, so you can use true and false. These are the Boolean algebra for you. This was bonus tip. So we have done it. So what if we take input from user to guess what is in first index and what is in second index? So we take input like before, and first index equals input, guess the first element of the list, and second index input, guess the second element of the list. Okay, so after this, so we will just clean this over and change our code like this. And if first index is equal to list 0, or second index is equals to list 1, then we have to print successful. So blindness test, and yeah, we have given a task for guessing the first element. So let's just guess the first and second element. We got successful. So that's our code, guys. So if I put like this, and if I do like coder here and Kovid here, it will print false. That's it, guys. This is very much essential, guys. The listing are very much important. So in next lesson we will learn about strings, for loop, and then after we are going to learn while loop and lots of stuff, guys. So if you want to be connected with Python tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe our coderkovid YouTube channel. You can get free of cost Python videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one with a new coding Python related video. Thank you.